Okay, now we have an integral question. So about this kind integral, we set a right triangle like this. The angle should be x over 2. So one side is t, another side is 1. So hypotenuse is the square root of 1 plus t squared. So now we solve that. So tangent x over 2 is equal t. So dt over dx equal 1 over 2 second x over 2 square. dt equal 1 over 2 second x over 2 dx. So dx equal 2 cosine x over 2 square dt. Okay, so about this one, we substitute dx is here is 2 times cosine x over 2 square times dt. So denominator is 3. Cosine x we change to 2 cosine x over 2 minus 1. So here we substitute. We first organize there 3 minus 1 is 2. So here 2 cosine x over 2 times dx dt, and denominator is 2 plus 2 cosine x over 2 square. So we cancel because 2 is a common factor. So we take it out. So the becomes this cosine x over 2 square. So at the denominator, because we take a factor off, it's 1 plus cosine x over 2. So according to this right triangle, we said that. So it should be cosine x over 2. Cosine is 1 over square root of 1 plus t square is this. So, and the denominator is 1 plus 1 over cosine x over 2, 1 over square root of 1 plus t square. Then here we simplify there. So this take a square here. They take a square, so they come to 1 over 1 plus t square, and the denominator 1 plus 1 over 1 plus t square. And okay, next step is here. So we want to make them common denominator in order to calculate. So 1 over 1 plus t square over 1 plus t square plus 1 over 1 plus t square. Okay. Just now I find I guess maybe I have some mistake. So I check that. Oh my God. I feel it's mistake, but it don't have mistake. So okay, now I continue to do that. My pen. Okay, here. So you see here, common factor, denominator. So now we find there it's like this. It's 1 over 2 plus t squared dt. Okay, so we have around here. So we should create about this one. We create another is different with the previous right angle here. Different. We can call this theta. This angle theta. So this should be you. I think you remember this how to set. This kind should be t. This side should be t. This side should be square root 2. Okay, this side should be t squared plus 2. And so we do this. We can rewrite 2 plus t squared square root, then square is the same with the original question. Why we do that? We want to use the formula. So we do that. So that means second theta equal uh, square root t squared plus 2 over square root 2. So that means we can substitute. So here 1 over this square root 2 plus t square equal square root, let's see, I rewrite here for easy to understand here. So that means square root 2 plus t square equal square root 2 second theta. So we write here that square root 2 times second theta, then square. Okay. Square. Then we go back to dt. Okay, so we know that here. So tangent theta. This is different with the previous triangle. Different. So tangent theta equal t over square root t. So t equal square root 2 square 2 times tangent theta. So dt over d theta equal square root 2 second theta square. Okay, so we can substitute dt equal square root 2 second theta square d theta. Then we can simplify. So here should be 2 second theta square. And here square root 2 second theta square d theta equal. So second theta square be cancelled. So and 2 we can write the square root 2 square. So that should be cancel 1 square root 2. So it should be 1 over square root 2 d theta. So it's equal. So we integrate this part square root 2 over 1 over square root 2 theta plus c. So I should say that equal theta. What is theta? Theta. Okay, theta is here. Theta. Tangent theta equal t over 2. T over 2. What's this theta? Okay, the theta is arctangent t over 2. Okay, right there. So it's 1 over square root 2. The theta is arctangent. I take a look. T over square root 2. T over square root 2. Okay, but this step don't you should remember. But say don't forget this one. It don't finish because you want to solve x, not t. So what is the t? because original question we said that here x over 2 he 1. So our original triangle is tangent x over 2 equal he. So we rewrite here 1 over square root 2 arctangent. He is arctangent. T. What is T? What is the T? Oh, okay. He is tangent. Tangent x over 2 square root 2. Okay, this part. Then plus c, we can simplify there. 1 over square root 2 here. Square root 2. So here arctangent. And here should be square root 2 over 2 tangent x over 2. And all this part I show you, tangent arctangent hold this part value, and this tangent x over 2 is another thing. So plus c. This question looks very long, but it's right. You can try. I think you just to me after before I find this question, I write in a paper by myself. After you watch my video, I hope you calculate this question by yourself. Otherwise you cannot remember.